Former Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan has slammed the country's ruling military establishment for abducting the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Chief Minister. During an informal conversation with reporters inside Patiala jail, Mr. Khan said, quote, Ali Amin Gandapur was picked by the establishment after he expressed the sentiments of the people. After yesterday's incidents, we will not negotiate with anyone, including the establishment, unquote. Mr. Khan is currently in solitary confinement, only let out for his trials. He has been illegally held now for over 402 days. In what was termed as an attack on Pakistan's federation, the democratically elected Chief Minister of the third largest province, Ali Amin Gandapur of Imran Khan's party, was abducted by Pakistan's military intelligence agencies. According to statements by PTI leaders and local reporters, the Chief Minister was called to a meeting by the powerful intelligence agencies but then held incommunicado for hours. The abduction sent shockwaves through the country, with condemnations pouring in. Party leaders warned of dangerous consequences for the Federation for the brazen abduction. The Chief Minister was later released but has yet to make an official statement about his abduction. Sunday's massive rally in Pakistan's capital, attended by thousands calling for the release of Imran Khan, has rattled the country's ruling military government. In front of scores of media, security personnel arrested PTI members of parliament. The party's interim chairman, Barrister Gohar Ali Khan, along with other lawmakers, were manhandled and taken away by the Islamabad police as journalists captured the images, which immediately went viral on social media. Later in the evening, masked plainclothes security officials raided the Parliament House and abducted PTI lawmakers. The arrest came after the military government passes the Public Order Act 2024, essentially banning peaceful protests. Amnesty International slammed the act, quote, "The Peaceful Assembly and Public Order Act 2024 is yet another attack on the right to freedom of peaceful assembly in Pakistan, which has a long history of enacting draconian legislation to criminalize peaceful protests and suppress the expression of dissent," unquote. After the brazen attack on Parliament and the abduction of its Chief Minister, PTI has called for countrywide protests on Friday. Addressing a press conference, the party Secretary General Salman Akram Raja announced that peaceful protests will be held all over the country. Quote, "It is our duty for democracy to condemn and protest in an organized manner what happened yesterday," unquote. Party leaders slammed the military government for its attack on the parliament and said PTI will not back down from defending democracy. According to Al Jazeera News, officials in the United States have said that Washington still does not, quote, know with full certainty what transpired, unquote, when a US citizen was killed by occupational Israeli forces in the occupied West Bank last week, stressing they were waiting for the findings of an Israeli investigation. Ezgeige, 26, was shot in the head by an Israeli sniper on Friday while attending a demonstration against the expansion of illegal Israeli settlements. Earlier this month, following the killing in Gaza of US-Israeli captive Hersh Goldberg Poland, the US Department of Justice quickly announced it was investigating his killing, quote, and each and every one of Hamas's brutal murders of Americans, unquote.